How you apply your blush can play a major big role how it may look on your face and how it can actually make it look nice, sculpted, youthful, or flat. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. Today we're diving into the world of a blush. I am excited about this, and if you want to see how this video goes, carry on watching. I absolutely love blushes. We came from 2016 where we did not put blushes at all to now we're loving and we're diving into different types of blushes. There is cream blushes like this. This is the Med by Nature. This is one of my favorites that I've been loving and diving into. Also liquid blushes, something like this from She Glam. Powder blushes is something like this. There's also mousse blushes actually, and there's also alternative on making your own type of blush. You could use eyeshadows as blush, and you could use lipsticks also as blush, and sometimes I use a color corrector. When it comes to makeup in general, it should be versatile. You should be able to dip in an eyeshadow or something just to make a blush, or liquid lipstick to make a blush. These are the brushes you need to use when it comes. Something just tapered, something a little bit angled, depending on your face shape and depending what you can handle the best. You could also use a beauty blender. You could also use a powder puff. There's different tools on what to use to apply your blush. So let's talk about how applying your blush can actually alter your appearance in a good way, of course, or it can actually mess it up. Me, I have a round kind of oval face shape. I like to use a blush. I like to put it on my cheekbone and put it and move it upwards on my temple. Which different ways you can put the blush starting from where you basically put your contour, but a little bit higher, because you don't want to put the blush right here on your face. So when you put the blush where you near the contour area, that actually gives you a sculpted look and it makes your face a little more lifted, kind of like the youthful look. As I get older, I'm trying to have that youthful look, and I just like how it complements my face. Obviously putting it on the nose kind of gives me a little bit of color, a flash color, because I got makeup, but I just want it to look, you know, a little bit more vibrant. You can do the tapping motion, or you can easily do the swirling motion. Using a little product can take you a long way, and then you also build it up. Rather than getting an amount of product, you're gonna end up looking like a clown. So use a little bit of product on your brush, blender, whatever you use, or apply a little bit directly on your finger and tap it on and then blend it, because then that way you know how much you have put. So there's also different ways on applying blush. Koreans like to put the blush under here, and when I did my I am cold girl look, I did actually copy how they do it. So it's under here. I'm gonna put a couple of pictures here for you guys to see. They'll put blush here. The 70s, they used to put blush around here, and I see that coming back again. So it's all about experimenting, and some people put the blush on the nose. See what works for you, see what is beautiful for you. When you're applying cream blush, I think using a brush is actually much more better than using a beauty blender, because when you use a beauty blender, it can go everywhere and it can look messy. So you can apply blush just after you finish putting your concealer, or you can do the under blush method, which is you put your foundation, then you put your blusher, and then you put your concealer. That way it kind of blends in better. I actually think going in with a brush first when you put cream blush with the beauty blender after actually helps. And then it's the same also when it comes to liquids, and then also when it comes to powder. Obviously powder is after you set your face and everything is done. That's why I say if you're a beginner, I would stick to just powder for now, because it can get a little bit messy with cream products and liquid blush products. So stick to powder, you still get the same result, okay? You get the same result with everything. It's just playing around with different makeup. That's all I wanted to say, so you don't feel stressed. But always experiment. Makeup is all about practice. You have to keep practicing until you get there as well. I'm gonna list all my favorite blush products down below for you, and also the brushes that I used to do this, and also the beauty blenders, so that you can learn that way. I hope this video was helpful, and also the demonstration was helpful, because I did use cream product and I did also use powder, just to show you the versatile ways. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful. I will see you guys in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss no uploads of mine, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.